turn away. 'Cause all the dreams you never thought you'd lose, tossed along the way. Letters that you never meant to send, get lost or thrown away. And now we're grown-up orphans and never knew their names. We don't belong to no one, that's a shame. You could hide beside me, maybe for a while, and I won't tell no one your name. And I won't tell them your name. The scars are souvenirs you never lose. The past is never far. And did you lose yourself somewhere out there? Did you get to be a star? Don't it make you sad to know that life is more than who we are? You grew up way too fast, now there's nothing to believe. The reruns all become our history. A tired song keeps playing on a tired radio, and I won't tell no one your name. And I won't tell them your name. I won't tell them your name. I won't tell them your name. I think about you all the time, but I don't need the same. It's lonely where you are, come back down, and I won't tell them your name.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and days skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Look at this photograph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? And what the hell is on Joey's head? And this is where I grew up. I think the president fixed it up. I never knew we ever went without. The second floor is hot for sneaking out. And this is where I went to school. Most of the time had better things to do. Criminal record says I've broken twice. I must have done it half a dozen times. I wonder if it's too late. Should I go back and try to graduate? Life's better now than it was back then. If I was them, I wouldn't let me in. Oh, 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 oh God. Every memory of looking out the back door. I have the photo album spread out on my bedroom floor. It's hard to say it, time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye. Every memory of walking out the front door. I found the photo of the friend that I was looking for. It's hard to say it, time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye. We used to listen to the radio and sing along with every song we know. We said someday we'd find out how it feels to sing to more than just a steering wheel. Kim's the first girl I kissed. I was so nervous that I nearly missed. She's had a couple of kids since then. I haven't seen her since God knows when. Goodbye, goodbye.
was 6 years old with a dream, when my moms told me I could do anything. Said she'd be there forever, no matter what's the weather. She'd always have my back even when we weren't together, and I took her for granted. I thought I had a plan, it's a different generation. I don't think you'd understand. In the quest to be a man, you start to learn you need your family. It wasn't for them, I'd be way closer to insanity. It ain't about the vanity, think about what's important. The reason I was 6 years old rocking some Jordans, the reason I had food, my own damn room, a TV in the living room to watch my cartoons. I just hope she know I love her, the world's best mother. Yeah, it ain't fair, so I'ma take care of her in her gray hair. When I get rich, I'll have her living like she should be. No stress, no worries, you can call me cousin.
Sunshine of gray, I'll be there.
I know you feel me right.
With the good times of gray, I'll be there.
Hey, hey.
Sunshine of gray, I'll be there.
That's how it's always
With
gonna
the good
be.
times of gray,
That's how it's always gonna be. Hey, 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 dear mama, please don't start to cry. You the reason I'm alive. How these years have gone by. You were there when I was on my first bike ride, riding in the street in that delivery truck. Almost ran right over me. You were at my games when I was sitting on the bench. When I skipped school, you lied and say that I was homesick. Had my back before I had my own. I know I'm always welcome when I'm back at home. I just wanna bring you out on stage to get a standing ovation. All the work you did to make my life feel like a vacation. If you have your moms, you better treat her right. Call her up, say what's up before you sleep tonight. Tell her you love her and you thank her for what she did. You may be grown now, but remember being a kid when she fed you in the bed. Shit, you were her babies. Find out what she doing lately. I wanna tell your mama,
sunshine of gray, I'll be there. With the good times of gray, I'll be there.
I know you feel me right.
Sunshine of gray, I'll be
What's up, Mom?
there.
You didn't think I was gonna make a song for you, did you?
I'll be there.
Hey, 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 hey. Some shit you just gotta say. Like,
Hoping for a new beginning to take me away from my surroundings so I can finally see goodbye. Wondering what will become of us when we are old and gray. And this time that we spent together was well worth our wait.